In this video, we'll be looking at how you can print your Smart Notebook file. There are three ways in which you can do this. In Toolbar 1, you can click File and Print, or for a shortcut, you can go Control P, or if you want, in the third way, if you do a lot of printing, you can right-click on Toolbar 2, and you can insert the print icon. That way you can just simply click on Print, and your print options will come up. Let's have a look at these different print options. There are three main ways in which you print: thumbnails, handouts, or full page. Questions and results are part of the response software, so we'll just look at the thumbnails, handouts, and full page. There's two parts to it. There's the page layout and printer setup. Let's run through the page layout. This does change depending on which mode you are using. So the page layout, you can add a header if you want. So you can simply type in header, a footer on the page if you'd like. You can have the date appear. You can even have page numbers. Then on the layout, for the thumbnails, I can have small, medium, large, or full page, which is the same as the full page. With small, I get 6 different pages onto one page. Then if I want to show distinctively which page is which, I can add page borders or take them away. And I can even put the titles. So generally when we make pages, it's a date. If you've gone and labeled the title of that page, it'll bring up that title page. And should you wish to print only a few pages, you can go select what pages you want to print. And only those pages will preview on there and then be printed. And then you'll go and click Print. Handouts, same on the page layout. The thumbnail size changes because we don't have a full. We have medium with 2 and large with 1. These are great. This is a great note-taking opportunity where you can get the students to jot down notes next to the pages that are appearing up on the board. Again, page borders, thumbnail titles, and the number of pages you want. Then the last one is full page. You can put the header, the footer, and dates, and you'll see there's no difference in size. When it comes to the printer setup, you can choose your printer, the amount of copies you want to print, color, and the most important one, especially for full page, is landscape, because it makes a slightly bigger print. Handouts, you'll see on the landscape, and then thumbnails look slightly different on the layout. So depending on how you want them to paste it into their books or into their files or into their folders is how you could print it out for these students. It's also good for yourselves to print out as possible lesson plan that you can file and put away. Let's have a look at an example of some of the printouts I've done. Firstly, you can see here is the thumbnails, then I have the handouts, and then I have two examples, the full page in landscape and in portrait. You'll see it's better to print it in landscape because you get more on a page. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.